Good afternoon, guys. Dexter with Essential Pressure Washing. We are in Tavares, Florida for a house wash today. Let me show you what we have. We have a house wash, 3-car driveway to clean with a walkway. The house is not dirty with algae, but it does have blind mosquitoes. It has the blind mosquitoes all up around the front entrance. The gutters, exterior gutters are dirty. So we're gonna give her a bath. Look at that. It's a plug right there. Was going over to here probably. And I'm gonna unplug it and tape it off. It's all broke. I need to tape that up. Glad I was shooting the video because I was not paying attention. You can see more. Same thing here, just blind mosquitoes. But not really any algae. Now this is the north side wall. So the north side we have algae up there on the drip edge. But the wall itself is okay. We're still gonna soft wash it. But we do have algae all the way down the drip edge. Now we are here for the pool deck. But as you can see, the pool screens are toasted. But we're not here for that. We're here for the pool deck. You can see where we puddle at. Those areas there. Gonna get this a treatment put on it. Even the inside of the pool cage itself has algae, but that's not part of what we're here for. We're just gonna clean up all this algae and mud that's down there. And wow, can't even tell what the grill is on. Look like it's on, okay, it's on some type of carpet that has broke down over time. Anyway, you can see that's green. Outside of there is green, but okay. Our drip edge here has built up as well. We're gonna take care of all of that with the house wash. That may be a hard water stain down there, not sure. I have a little cleaner for hard water stains. We'll apply that and see if it can help us out. Meanwhile, we're gonna lay down a 1.5 back there, 1.5 on the pool deck. I'm gonna come up here and put a 1.5 on the driveway. I may work backwards here today. Let that sit and hang out on the back. Come up here, surface clean this and get it cleaned up, then go back there and rinse that up. I don't know. We're gonna do it some type of way. I'll tell you that much. We'll figure it out as we go. I might just go ahead and put a treatment on the pool deck, do the back of the house, washing it, and wash to the side, rinse that down, get some of the house wash done first, and to where I only have the front of the house left and one side. I may do it that way. We're confused. We're gonna get it done. We've been up since 4 a.m. Today is our commercial day, but we had to tie in some residential. It's been busy with calls, flooded with work right now. It's a good thing, but at the same time, sometimes the madness make you wanna take a little break from it. All right, Dex with Essential Pressure Washing. Hang tight. We'll get back with some pre-treatment action. MoFlow live in action. Figure we'll go ahead and get the front of the house clean. Get this front clean, all these soffit spacers and exterior gutter edges. Go ahead and put a treatment on it. Go ahead and put a little treat down on this. Let's pull a little bit more hose, since I was looping the hose to the back and decide we're gonna start on the front. Pull a little bit more hose this way, back over, back around, so that we can get some distance. Go that way for a bit. Get the front of this place washed up. Driveway is gonna turn out good. It's already getting a good reaction there, so it's always a good thing. Put some hose over here. Gonna let this hang out. Get the inside of this wall. Don't know what that was, but he got hit like one of those praying mantis. That little mildew, let that hang out a little bit. Let's make that shot up there. I'll go down this wall a little bit, take care of some of this algae. Since we're already over here, let's do something about it. You guys see the algae up there. Put that treatment on it. On the end of that. Up there just pinging it. I hit that from here. Yeah. See you later, algae. Algae. Some little treatment. This side can hang out a little longer because we got a little coverage with the shade. See? 1.5 strong, 10 million strong and growing. A little bit of treatment on that, and a little bit across there. Now we're going to come back to the front. Touch these gutters a little bit one more time. Give me something now. Give me something nice. Man, they're toasty. They're toasty. But they're gonna have to move. Can't be stubborn with 1.5. So hit this up here. Gonna wash to right here, wash to this corner. Making sure we get our gutters. Okay, we're gonna kill the chem killers. Looks like somebody put some type of cleanser up there on these gutters. A little bit more right there on that area. Got all this looking good. So now we're just rinsing out the line. Basically, we're just rinsing the line now. Come across that garage, and we're gonna have this front section done. Then we'll go to the back from the other side. Figured I'd get you guys a shot. I had some of those vine plants that was growing on the house. That won't come off. You'll have to get up there and peel those off by hand. It does have hard water stains, a few of them to the bottom from the irrigation. We're gonna go ahead and ping on down that way. Get all that off. Go ahead and rinse the house. This side here wasn't that bad. Like I said, it's not a lot of algae. Just this side had it on the drip edge, really. It's mainly these blind mosquitoes. And that stuff right there is gonna bleed for a while, right up under the soffits there. I have to let it dry up a little bit and come back. Keep my little shot from there, clean those window sills and get to that bottom. I had you guys point it down. Let me get you back up in some of this action. Get you back up in some of this action. See the next gutter edge up there. Let's get you up there in action. Working on out, working on out. We're just fresh water now. We're all rinsing. We're all about the rinse. Okay. Yes, yes. Okay. Let's get you in action right here on this shot. Those gutters are toasted. Got a lot of bugs up there, bug guts. That little bit of algae up. That little brown algae right there at the door. Now let's get this shot. And we're real dirty up there. We'll let that hang. We'll come on around here. As you can see, hit that wall back there. Get you back in action. Look, here it is. That's what's going on. I don't know what kind of cleaner they put up there. I'll have to brush this with the broom and see if I can make a difference. All those bugs back there. Wow. There's a constant stream of them. Man, that's a lot. It don't matter, it keeps coming out. This gutter had those marks on them. Somebody must have put something up there and tried to clean them and gave up on the task. Hey, so we got that down. So now what I'm gonna do is cut more flow off. Okay, we're picking up right back here on the back of the house. We haven't did the driveway yet. So we're gonna go ahead and put a treatment up here. Shaded area. Back of the house here. Screen right here. I'm gonna go ahead and just touch it. Yeah. Too dirty back here. I'm gonna slide some of this stuff up. Jesus, 1.5 will make you cold. Lizard fried right there. Big earthworms back here. Go ahead and clean up this stuff. I have to go and cut it up a little bit. I got my RPMs down just a little bit too little. I wish that fan was off. I'll stay away from it. We're still running a lot of surfactant because we did a roof over the weekend. Actually have another roof job tomorrow and I have another roof job Saturday. I don't even like doing roofs, to be honest with you. Kind of mad at myself for even learning how to do them. Try to stay away from the old planties. And just let that right there just sit and soften that stuff up. I will hit this since we're here. It's pretty toasty. And we'll lay a beam down going across. And we'll go over there and catch the rest on the other side. That table already cleaned up, which is nice. You see, can I slide this a little bit? Yeah, it's not bad. Because you already know underneath there was going to be that stuff. I got to move this grill a little bit, and that carpet looked like it's rotted into the floor on the grill. Might as well put a little something on that, but that's underneath, so I'm not going to get all underneath there, friend. That's a low area. You're gonna have to have my squeegee to get this out of there, because they're gonna come backward. It's an electrical socket back there too. Got to be careful. And melted up real nice. Hit it one more again. Okay. Now we might as well do this last little corner. While that's marinating, and then the house will be washed up. What do you think? The house will be washed. We have a pool deck and a driveway. Tell you what we're doing here. We're just putting a little bit on these gutter edges all the way around. We're on the gutter edges. So I get this wall. Gutter edges. Gutter edges right there. Now you see. Now you see what we got going on. Putting that treatment up there. See what that is. A little bit on the soup. All right. Now let's cut that off. It's hot on this side, so we cannot play around that much. I'm gonna cut my RPM up a little bit. Give me a little bit more knockdown power. Had to try to get we didn't give it too much time. I was trying to recover with water. We have not recovered yet. Okay, take our remote. I'll put the remote in the truck, out of the way. Clear the line out. There we go. That's enough slap right there. Still got soap in the lines, huh? So we're gonna soap the rope. You see right up there where somebody used high pressure right there to the paint. Rinse this wall up. And that is going to be hard water staining down there. Those windows rinsed off. We'll go in there and wash down that back wall. That deck is getting ready. We have company. Hello. I'm sorry, I'm out of cards, but you can take a picture of the truck. No, ma'am, I'm out of cards. But if you have a phone, you can take a picture of the truck. That's my phone number. I'm just out of cards. I haven't made it to get any made yet. Yes, ma'am. Right across the street?
Yeah.
I'll come across as soon as I'm done.
Okay, I'm calling done. You want to take my number? I believe.
Okay. Let me add it right here. All right. Okay, I'm ready.
786-547-6404. It's Carmen, and it's 5164.
All right.
That's the number of the house.
All right. All right. All right, it's 5464.
No, 54.
Huh?
5154.
5154.
Oh,
50. Oh, shit. Okay. All right. Thank you. Okay, back to the regularly broadcast schedule. We are getting ready to rinse this bad boy down. Pull some holes here, out to there. This nice lady needs some pressure washing done. Hey. Oh, spring. Liz, you better not run across there and get in that kiln. Have to wait for that stuff to dry up. Let's go on the inside and go to the other side. Okay. Should have put a little more hose, but I didn't. But we're gonna shoot it. Get right through there and get that. Man, it's dirty under there. Get this wall. Electrical up top, be careful with that. And the cage itself, the cage itself is probably never been cleaned. Get these windows kind of clean here, squeak them up, squeak them up. Gundam style. Look at that. Woo. Tinted windows. Oh my. Look at all that stuff turned to jelly up there. With a 1.5. Melt a lot of that loose. Okay, look at that. Man, this stage is horrible, but I'm not here for that. Let me concentrate on the case at hand. I have another wash to do. After this is done, we'll cut this off. We'll use the 5.5 to rinse the pool deck down because it won't use as much water. Stay tuned.
Look, 5.5 getting down today. Look, 5.5 is what you need. 3 cars. Driveway. And don't burn up a lot of water either. Maybe that's where I ought to go.
Okay guys, we are completed here. Let's show you this driveway. She's still drying. We got the bugs off the house. Remember what I said? It wasn't a lot of algae, but a lot of bugs and webs. These gutters here are smoked. We treated them. They are better. The house is looking good. Let's take you around this side, north side. This was the side with the algae. As you can see, it's gone. The wall was clean. The wall was not bad on this side. Not the wall itself is just what's the soffix. Well, not soffix, but the drip edge and the soffix as well. We did not do the screen. We're gonna peep in here. We're not gonna walk on this deck. This thing has been a monster. But you can see in the bad areas, she's good. But the cage itself, oh my God, look at all of that. That would be a monster. I mean, you would have to bake that. You have to bake that with at least a 3 to loosen it up. And wet that thing like crazy in there. But this cage, the screen itself, is smoked with nothing but lacking all over the place. This darn thing, the thing is broke. But as you can see, that bad corner is good. I'm not gonna walk on it because it's wet. Trying not to track my work. That is good. This wall here is good. And we're running behind. So we're gonna get to this next appointment. Get it done. We have a stack day for tomorrow, Friday, and Saturday. Okay. Calls just rolled in all of a sudden, man. Good to have it, but it can be overwhelming. All right, on to the next one.